By standing here before us, you affirm that it's your intention to establish a home and create a new family on the foundation of your love. Now, all of the time that we're given God, I ask you to declare your intention. I start with the Lord. God, no reason why you will not be united with Esperanza. If I within her special for her, that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your life together. We also find within yourself the version conviction to resist the benefits by which that can die. Are you willing to love her? Are you the fullness to take the risk and accept the vulnerability of the doubt again and again and again? Esperanza. Know if no reason why you will not be united with Ron. Do you find within you a special for him that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together? Do you also find within yourself the Christian conviction to resist the menace for which love can die? Are you willing to love him in his sinfulness and to take the risk and to accept the vulnerability of the doubt again and again and again?
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, sa oras na binibigay mo. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. At sorry kung minsan makulit at tuyuin ako. Pero tandaan mo, lagi na mahal kita. Di ako magsasawang mahalin ka hanggang pinaubaya ka ng Panginoon sa akin. Iingatan kita at pangangalagaan. Ingat ka lagi at mahal na mahal kita.
Para sa iyo, mahal ko, ikaw ang gusto kong makasama magpakailanman sa ligaya at lungkot, sa hirap at ginhawa. Mahal kong Esperanza, mahal kita ng labis sa iyong piling ako lubos na kompleto. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kahulugan at ligaya sa aking buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.